At the State Scientific Center Research Institute of Atomic Reactors, or SSCIR, site in Dimitrovgrad in the Ulyanovsk region, a unique and highly ambitious project is nearing completion. This project is the construction of the multipurpose Fast-Neutron research reactor, known as MBIR. As of January 2026, the facility is in the final stages of construction, with commissioning planned for the year 2028. Once operational, MBIR is expected to become one of the most powerful and technologically advanced fast-neutron research reactors in the world, providing scientific capabilities designed to support nuclear research for decades. Altitude Addicts understands that this project has deep roots in Russia's long-term strategy for advanced nuclear science and energy development. Construction of MBIR began in 2015 as part of a national program aimed at creating a next-generation experimental platform for materials science and nuclear technology. The reactor is intended to support research into fourth-generation nuclear systems, which are designed to be safer, more efficient, and capable of operating within a closed nuclear fuel cycle. MBIR is also intended to replace the renowned BOR-60 research reactor, which has operated at the SSCIR site for more than 50 years. Although BOR-60 has played a vital role in testing nuclear fuels, materials, and reactor technologies, its operational life is nearing completion. MBIR represents a significant technological leap forward, taking over as Russia's primary fast-neutron research platform with far broader experimental potential. Unlike its predecessor, MBIR is designed to support a much wider range of experimental programs. Its advanced core design, flexible experimental channels, and modern infrastructure will significantly increase both the scope and the speed of reactor-based research. Altitude Addicts learns that, from an engineering perspective, MBIR is not merely a single reactor, but an integrated scientific complex. At its heart is a fast-neutron reactor with a thermal power of 150 megawatts, incorporating 3 steam water circuits and 2 sodium coolant circuits. The wider complex also includes a steam turbine unit, a transportation and technology system, vertical and horizontal experimental channels, scientific laboratories, and advanced testing equipment. This integrated configuration allows both in-core and out-of-core experimentation. Researchers will be able to conduct direct irradiation of materials inside the reactor core, neutron beam experiments, and post-irradiation studies, all within a single facility. A particularly important feature of MBIR is the presence of dedicated loop channels. These channels allow researchers to simulate reactor operating conditions using different coolants, including sodium, lead bismuth eutectic, and gaseous media. This flexibility makes MBIR a uniquely versatile experimental platform for testing a wide range of reactor concepts and thermal hydraulic regimes. Significant progress was achieved in January 2026 with the delivery of critical equipment for MBIR's transportation and technology systems. According to SSCIR specialists, this included the fuel handling system and steam water washing sockets for spent fuel assemblies. The arrival of this equipment is a key prerequisite for completing the reactor's control assembly phase. Altitude Addicts learnt that the fuel handling mechanism itself is a highly sophisticated electromechanical system. It measures approximately 10 meters in length and weighs more than 3.3 tons. Its purpose is to precisely extract, rotate, and reposition fuel assemblies while monitoring extraction forces and sampling gases to verify the integrity of fuel cladding. The steam water washing socket is an equally complex component. It consists of a variable diameter pipe equipped with a bellows compensator, thermal insulation, and shutoff valves. Its role is to remove residual coolant from spent fuel assemblies, detachable cores, and side reflector components, while also enabling inspection of fuel integrity. Each washing unit will weigh approximately 2.2 tons and measure about 5.5 meters in length once fully assembled on site. Installation of this fully domestically produced equipment is scheduled to take place during 2026, paving the way for final assembly and subsequent commissioning activities. Scientifically, MBIR is designed to replicate some of the most extreme operating conditions encountered in advanced nuclear systems. These include extremely high temperatures, intense neutron radiation, and elevated pressures. Such conditions are essential for testing next-generation fuels and structural materials intended for future reactors. The reactor will enable comprehensive studies of new fuel compositions, advanced alloys, coolant technologies, and core components. By simulating real operating and even emergency conditions, MBIR will allow researchers to observe material behavior under irradiation levels and thermal loads that closely mirror those found in advanced reactors. A central focus of MBIR's mission is the development of closed nuclear fuel cycle technologies. This approach aims to significantly improve resource efficiency by recycling fissile materials from spent fuel, while also reducing the volume and long-term radiotoxicity of nuclear waste. Altitude Attucks learns that MBIR is also expected to serve as the foundation for an international research center. Through this framework, international research institutes, universities, and industrial partners will be granted access to the reactor's experimental capabilities. The goal is to foster large-scale international cooperation in nuclear science and engineering. Several countries, including China, Belarus, and Uzbekistan, have already expressed strong interest in participating in MBIR-based research programs. Access to such a powerful fast-neutron research facility is seen as highly valuable for developing national nuclear programs and training highly qualified specialists. The international significance of MBIR is further underscored by the approval of a coordinated research program for the years 2029 through 2040 by the Interstate Commission of Commonwealth of Independent States member countries for the use of atomic energy. From a broader perspective, MBIR represents a crucial step in establishing the experimental foundation for the next generation of nuclear energy technologies. Thanks to its high neutron flux and power level, the reactor will dramatically shorten research timelines and allow materials to reach target irradiation levels far faster than is possible in existing facilities. Altitude Attucks believes that these capabilities will accelerate both fundamental scientific research and applied development. In doing so, MBIR is expected to influence the evolution of advanced reactor designs, fuel cycles, and nuclear safety systems, not only in Russia, but internationally. In conclusion, the Multipurpose Fast-Neutron Research Reactor, or MBIR, is a project of genuine global importance. Once commissioned in 2028, it will support research into materials science, nuclear fuels, closed fuel cycle technologies, and fourth-generation reactor systems. It is expected to become a cornerstone of advanced nuclear research. With its exceptional experimental versatility, high power, and strong international interest, MBIR is positioned to emerge as a leading scientific center. Its impact is likely to shape the future of nuclear science and technology for many years to come. If you liked the video, please subscribe, share, and like. Also, please take the membership of Altitude Attucks to encourage us.